Hey everyone! Today, let's review the popular Lemon Gummies brand, made even more famous by its celebrity founder. These gummies come in multiple varieties: energy, focus, sleep, and digestion. But we wanted to see if they are truly effective or just clever marketing. Pros first. The gummies taste great. They are convenient to take daily, and they do contain recognizable ingredients like ashwagandha, B vitamins, or melatonin, depending on the version. They fit well into a wellness routine if you are looking for a fun and simple supplement format. Now for the cons. The effectiveness is subtle at best, and for the price, you are mainly paying for branding. What makes it even more concerning is the ongoing lawsuit against the Lemme brand for misleading claims and lack of sufficient scientific backing. That raises serious questions about product safety and transparency. In our experience, the gummies worked mildly for things like relaxation and energy, but the results were not dramatic. And there are far more affordable options on the market with the same ingredients. Overall, lemon gummies are a stylish wellness supplement but not the most reliable or trustworthy. Given the lawsuit and FDA concerns, we would advise caution before buying. This has been how to really keep things smart and simple and scam free.